If you're building or upgrading your PC, lighting matters more than ever. The Razer ARGB controller offers universal compatibility, meaning it works with any RGB device that uses a standard 3-pin 5V addressable connector. Whether it's LED strips, fans, CPU coolers, or PC cases, this controller brings your setup to life with vibrant lighting. What sets this controller apart is its 6 addressable RGB headers. Each port supports up to 80 LEDs, giving you the freedom to create intricate, eye-catching lighting designs. Instead of juggling multiple controllers or software, this device acts as a centralized hub for all your ARGB-compatible components. Powered by Razer Chroma RGB, you gain access to a staggering 16.8 million colors and a variety of dynamic lighting effects. You can customize your PC's look to match your mood, game, or workspace. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with over 150 games and 500 devices from more than 40 partners, making your lighting experience immersive and synchronized. Managing your lighting setup is effortless with Razer Synapse 3. This platform lets you control all your ARGB components from one intuitive interface. No need to switch between apps or settings. Everything is streamlined to save you time and frustration. Installation is straightforward. The controller can be securely mounted inside your PC case using SSD mounting points or 3M double-sided tape. This flexibility ensures it stays put without cluttering your build or interfering with airflow. Top reviews from users in the United States praise how simple it is to get started. Just connect your fans or other ARGB devices with the standard 5V cables to the controller, power it through a 4-pin Molex connector, and plug the USB into your motherboard's header. From there, Razer Synapse automatically detects the controller. Once connected, syncing all your ARGB components is a breeze. The Chroma software enables you to unify lighting effects across your entire system, creating a cohesive and polished look that stands out. If you're someone who values aesthetics and wants to add a personalized touch to your PC, this controller is worth a look. It delivers what it promises: easy setup, broad compatibility, and stunning lighting control. Beyond just looks, synchronized lighting can enhance your gaming or work environment. It helps you stay focused by setting the right ambiance or even providing subtle notifications through color changes. This controller makes that possible without complicated wiring or software juggling. Many users highlight the reliability of the device. It performs consistently without glitches or lag, even when controlling multiple ARGB components simultaneously. That stability is crucial for anyone serious about their PC's appearance and performance. Another benefit is future-proofing your setup. With 6 headers and support for up to 80 LEDs per port, you can expand your lighting without needing to upgrade your controller. This scalability makes it a smart investment for evolving builds. The integration with Razer Chroma's ecosystem is also a key advantage. If you already own Razer peripherals, this controller fits right in, creating a unified lighting experience across your keyboard, mouse, headset, and PC. For those concerned about space or cable management, the compact design and mounting options mean the controller won't interfere with your build's airflow or aesthetics. It stays out of sight but never out of control. If you're ready to elevate your PC's look without hassle, the Razer ARGB controller delivers solid value. It bridges the gap between functionality and style, making your build feel truly custom and coordinated. The controller's broad compatibility means you're not locked into one brand or device type. This flexibility is a big plus for anyone mixing components from different manufacturers but wanting a seamless lighting setup. Overall, this product fits the needs of gamers, streamers, and PC enthusiasts who want a reliable, easy-to-use solution for ARGB synchronization. It's a straightforward way to bring your PC lighting to the next level. If that's you, consider how much more immersive your setup could feel with perfectly synced lighting. The Razer ARGB controller makes it possible with minimal effort and maximum impact. Try it when you're ready to simplify your lighting control and unlock endless customization. It's a practical upgrade that enhances your PC's aesthetics and your overall experience. In the end, the Razer ARGB controller delivers on its promise: universal compatibility, powerful customization, and easy installation. For anyone serious about their PC's lighting, it's a smart, dependable choice.